So class, we just have started our cursive handwriting classes. Okay. And before writing any letter in the cursive, we need to practice some patterns. Yesterday, when you wrote C, isn't it? तो आपको थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्टी हुई होगी, है ना? क्यों हुई होगी डिफ़िकल्टी? क्योंकि आपने पैटर्न प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया था. So I had just tested you whether you can write or not. But after I saw your letters, I think that you need a little practice of patterns. So today we are going to start the pattern practice. And remember, as madam told yesterday in the live class, that we have to go slowly and we have to write beautifully. So here we are having some patterns in your book that we are going to practice today. Okay, the first pattern is slanting line. The first pattern is slanting line and we have to go bottom to top. नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाना है. So take your pencil. Keep your pencil to the bottom and you have to go slantly up like this. Slowly you have to go up and you have to trace the line like this. Yes. Stop. Now on to the second line. This is slanting line. We need to go from the bottom to the top. And as ma'am is going slowly, you also need to go slow. Slowly. And if suppose you make a mistake, just stop yourself. अगर जहाँ भी mistake होती है, stop हो जाना है, उसको erase करना है, फिर से लिखना है. Okay? So, go slowly and trace the lines like this. Go slowly and trace the lines, slanting up, slanting up. Now the second line, slanting up. Slowly you have to go. Slanting up. Okay. Now all our dotted lines are over. Now we have to mark the points for practicing. So what you will do? You will put a dot to the bottom and to the top. 1. Then for the second line, 1 point here, 1 point here. The dots must be in a slanting manner. Okay, I am giving only 3 slanting lines. And you need to join the dot like this. Slanting up. Stop. Slanting up. Slanting up. Okay. Now see, this line doesn't look good. So madam is going to erase it. Now madam has erased it and I will again join them. Slanting up. So slowly you have to go. Likewise, you have to complete these line also with slanting line pattern. Just you need to put the dot first, then you will join them. Okay. Now the next pattern is slanting line down. The next pattern is slanting line down on the same page, and we will write it as, how we will write it? We have to keep our pencil onto the top and we have to come slanting down slowly. Stop. Top to the bottom, slanting line down. And you have to keep patience while writing because you need to write beautifully. Slowly. You need to trace all the lines slowly. Slowly. Now the second line. Slowly. If the line doesn't come up nicely, you should erase it and rewrite it. See, this line is disturbed, so I am going to erase it. Now see here, slanting line down, and for the rest of the lines we are giving dots. First put dot, then join them. Okay, so this will be your work for the day, and rest we will do in the live class. One dot onto the top, one dot onto the bottom, and after putting the dots you have to join them. Okay, so this is the first exercise of your cursive handwriting practice. In the first exercise you have to go slanting up, and in the second one you have to come slanting down. Okay KG2, this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.